How to install Cheese App Credit Builder account. So just tap Get and double click to install it. You'll be able to install it. You can save and build credit at the same time. Need to rebuild your credit score, have no credit history at all, no problem. Cheese Credit Builder app welcomes everyone in need to build their credit. Whether you are planning to buy a car, house, get credit repair, just start building credit, is the best credit building solution. Apply for an account, build payment history, get your money back, get your paid off principal back at the end of the loan term minus the interest. So yeah, you can see some nice features, and this app recently climbs in the charts, so you can get started. And then you can create an account with email address Apple or Google. So for example, if you just try with Apple sign in here, now you can just proceed with your first, last name and phone number.